Good morning, lovely people. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. What I have in this pot are two Trader Joe's rice Orzo pilaf mix. I'm using two boxes because it's not enough. I added a little bit of olive oil to my pan, and all I'm doing is browning it. You see the little bits, how they're getting brown? That's all I am trying to achieve here. Then to it, I will add the two seasoning packs that come in, are included with the rice pilaf Orzo from, what is it, Trader Joe's? But instead of water, I'm going to add this beef broth to it, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I'm just cooking it as it says in the instructions. So nothing grand, you just follow the instructions on the back. Not on the back, hold on. On the side of the box. Okay? And then I'm going to be making some salmon with some steamed broccolini. It's going to be the dinner for today. But I'll bring you back in a little bit when it's to how I want this to be, because I want it to be nice and I don't want it to be dry. So the reason why you're toasting it is because it helps your grain of your rice also not to be mushy. Get ready to open these and drop them in. Since I don't have this on my tripod, I gotta hold the phone, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have added my seasoning to it. As you can see, now all I'm doing is moving it around so I can incorporate it and everything. And then I'm going to add my beef broth. Know me well enough. I don't normally measure, so I just go with what feels right to me. I'm gonna let this kind of come to a boil, and when the liquid is almost evaporated, almost all of it, then I'll put some paper towel over the top, the lid, and then I'll finish cooking it in low until it's done. Okay, so but like I said, go with what the directions on the box. Okay, if you're not sure how to make this rice. Okay guys, you see at this consistency, I'm going to lower my heat and I'm going to put it in between low and medium. And now I'm going to add 2 sheets of paper towel. This helps, what this does is it helps absorb some of the moisture. So if I have a little bit too much water, my rice doesn't come out glumpy, if you know what I mean, or gooey. All right, I'll bring you back in about 10-15 minutes to show you the finished product. All right, guys, let's open this and see what our rice looks like. You see all the steam on what you see? It's see, this is what you're looking for. See how grainy it is? That's exactly what I want. And now, it's already done, so I'm going to probably turn it off, and I'm going to be assembling my salmon that's going to go with this meal. I just wanted you to see. It looks amazing, you guys. And what I like to do is I chop some fresh cilantro, and I put it over it with a little bit of olive oil, and I serve it that way. And you can also chop some onions and do it that way too. Whatever you want. I like to finish it with some cilantro, and sometimes I'll do onions, sometimes I'll do peppers, tricolor peppers. It just depends. What did I see there? Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to make my salmon, and I will bring you back to show you. I almost forgot to show you. I have here my broccolini, and I have it in cold water hanging out with some salt. I like to put it there just to get all the, even though it's in a package and everything, you always want to rinse and wash your vegetables. So that's what I'm doing. And I'll bring you back to show you what I'm going to do with them. Okay? All right, my lovely friends. I'm getting ready to add my salmon that I have seasoned yesterday. You season it to taste, whatever your preference is. I'm gonna get ready to put it in my pan, but I need both hands. So let me bring you in a minute. Okay, so there's my salmon. I like to put it with the skin up, and I'm gonna cover it. And then, hold on a minute. Okay. Like so. I'm gonna let it cook there for a few minutes. In the meantime, in the back I have some water going with a little bit of salt. And that's where, once the water comes to a boil, I will turn it off and dump my broccolini and let it hang out there. And then I'll just take out the broccolini. When I'm ready, drizzle it with a little bit of finishing salt and a little bit of olive oil and pepper. And that's gonna be it. Very simple, but very delicious. All I'm waiting for, now let's jump over here. What I'm waiting to see here is the salmon or the fish, whichever fish you're cooking, will start letting out like a white secretion that will come out, and that's when I know it's ready. So my fish will not be dry or overcooked, and it'll be perfect. Okay guys, at this point I'm gonna flip the salmon around, and I've been cooking it on medium heat. So let's see what's going on here. But you see it's still not cooked fully to finish cooking. And I'm going to lower my heat a little bit more. Okay, there you go. Bring you back. I'm bringing you back just to show you what the salmon looks like when it's done. See? It is done. I'm just going to turn it off and let it hang there until my broccoli is done. It just boiled a little bit, but it needs to go back into a boiling position. So once it does that, then I'll pull it out. I just want to show you what it looks like. There it is. Because you don't want it, I don't like it to be, you know, limpy. I like it to be firm. So that's why I'm doing this. And I'm getting ready to add my cilantro to this because I've already chopped it. See that? And I have it at hand. Hold on. And this is all I'm doing. Okay, I gotta put my phone down. Hold on. A little bit of olive oil, like so. That's enough. And then I'm just gonna mix it. And that's it. And now I'm going to plate it with the rest of my salmon and my broccolini, and then I'll show you a plate with the finished product. Thank you. And here you have the broccoli. All I did was add a little bit of the finishing salt. This is what it's called. And there you go. And all you do is you just grab very little, not a lot, because this salt is amazing, you guys. I got this from the Food Nanny. You got to check her out. She's the one that makes the kamut bread. Oh my God. Ever since I started following her, I don't make any other bread but kamut bread. I don't buy any other flour but kamut flour. And as you can see, let me bring you over here. Check it out. What do you see there? Yeah, kamut bread. That's what's happening, you guys. Ta-ta. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have a blessed day. Thank you. And here you have the finished product. Here's my salmon. Doesn't that look amazing? Yum, yum. Here's my broccolini. Oh my goodness, I love it. And here's my Orzo Pilaf rice from Trader Joe's. Thank you. Have a great day.